Hi, I am Anna. I am telling you in here. So a rotated pelvis can lead to a variety of musculoskeletal issues, causing pain and discomfort. It's essential to address this problem promptly to prevent long-term complications. I will explain what a rotated pelvis is, its common causes, and provide a comprehensive approach to fixing it. So before I am starting, please subscribe my YouTube channel Raza Amaral, and please press bell button. So let's starting guys and girls, here yours tips. Understanding a rotated pelvis. A rotated pelvis refers to an imbalance in the alignment of the pelvic bones. The pelvis, consisting of the hip bones, sacrum and coccyx, plays a crucial role in supporting the spine and maintaining proper posture. When it becomes rotated, it can lead to various issues, such as lower back pain, sciatica, hip pain, and postural problems. Common causes of a rotated pelvis. 1. Muscle imbalances. One of the primary reasons for a rotated pelvis is muscle imbalances. When the muscles around the pelvis, including the hip flexors, glutes, and abdominal muscles, are unevenly developed or tight, they can pull the pelvis out of alignment. 2. Trauma or injury, accidents, falls, or sports injuries can cause pelvic misalignment, leading to a rotated pelvis. Even minor incidents can have a significant impact over time. 3. Poor posture. Prolonged periods of poor posture, such as slouching or sitting with crossed legs, can gradually shift the pelvis out of alignment. 4. Leg length discrepancy. A leg length discrepancy, where one leg is shorter than the other, can contribute to a rotated pelvis, as the body tries to compensate for the imbalance. Fixing a rotated pelvis. Consult a healthcare professional. The first step in fixing a rotated pelvis is to seek professional help. A physical therapist, chiropractor, or orthopedic specialist can accurately diagnose the issue and recommend the appropriate treatment plan. They may conduct physical examinations and imaging tests to assess the degree of rotation and identify its underlying causes. 2. Manual therapy. Manual therapy techniques performed by a qualified professional can be highly effective in correcting a rotated pelvis. These techniques may include chiropractic adjustments. A chiropractor can manipulate the spine and pelvis to bring them back into proper alignment. Physical therapy. A physical therapist can design a personalized exercise and stretching program to strengthen weak muscles and release tension in tight ones. Massage therapy. Deep tissue massage can help relax and release tight muscles around the pelvis, promoting alignment. 3. Strengthening and stretching exercises. Maintaining proper pelvic alignment is essential for long-term relief. Your healthcare provider or physical therapist may recommend exercises to address muscle imbalances and support a healthy pelvis. Strengthening exercises focus on strengthening the core, glutes, and hip muscles. Examples include planks, bridges, and squats. Stretching exercises stretch tight muscles like the hip flexors, hamstrings, and quadriceps to restore flexibility. Yoga and Pilates can be beneficial. 4. Posture improvement. Improving your posture is crucial for preventing a rotated pelvis from recurring. Practice good posture habits in everyday activities, like sitting and standing with your shoulders back and your weight evenly distributed. 5. Orthotics. If a leg length discrepancy is contributing to your rotated pelvis, custom orthotic insoles can help. These can be inserted into your shoes to balance the leg length difference and alleviate pelvic misalignment. 6. Lifestyle modifications. Make necessary lifestyle changes to support pelvic alignment. Avoid sitting for extended periods. Take breaks to stand, stretch, or walk. Use ergonomic furniture and equipment at work and home. Engage in activities that promote pelvic health, such as swimming, cycling, and walking. 7. Maintain a healthy diet. Nutrition plays a role in musculoskeletal health. Ensure you're consuming a balanced diet with adequate nutrients, especially those essential for bone and muscle health, such as calcium, vitamin D, and magnesium. Conclusion. A rotated pelvis can cause significant discomfort and lead to various health issues. It's crucial to address the problem through a combination of professional guidance, exercises, and lifestyle adjustments. By following the steps outlined, you can work towards fixing a rotated pelvis and enjoy improved musculoskeletal health and overall well-being. Thanks for you are watching my channel. Please subscribe my channel Raza Amaral. I am Anna, and take care yourself and also care yours near us surrounding people. Thanks. Once more again, please subscribe my channel Raza Amaral. Thanks, bye. See you again, love you all.